Good day everyone, you're watching RayTube. On today's video, it's going to be a quick tutorial on how to configure your system restore and restore your Windows on Windows 10 machine. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. Now, once you're logged on to your computer, in the search bar, you can go ahead and type recover. And once you type recovery, you will see this window. In order to configure your system restore, what you can do is you can check if it has been configured or not. So in case if it has been, once you click on configure system restore, this is the window you will see on the screen. In case if your system restore is not been configured, if the protection is has been set as off, what you can do is you can go ahead and click on configure and click on turn on system protection. And once that is been done, once you have checked this box, you can allocate the disk space usage. My current usage is about 6, so I have selected 1% of it. So in case if you want to allocate more of it, you can go ahead and scroll, highlight this bar and increase the maximum usage. Once you have done all these steps, you can click on apply and OK. So once the system configuration protection has been turned on, the next step would be to how to create a restore point. So in order to create a restore point for, in my case, for the current date is which is 12th of December 2017, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create, and I'm going to name it as restore point December 2nd, 2017, and click on create. Now, depending on the speed and the amount of data or what you have on your computer, this might take some time. So at the moment, it is trying to create a restore point for today's date, for 12th of 2nd of December 2017. So let's wait until we create a system restore point. So now if you look at the screen, the restore point was created successfully, which means that the system restore point has been successfully created on the computer. Now let me walk you through step-by-step instruction on how to restore your system back to the previous date or previous restore point. So on the same window, you have an option called System Restore. And on the System Restore, you need to click on Next, and on this you will see an option. You will see the date and time where the restore point has been created. In my case, I have two restore point which has been created for November 30th, and I have restore point created for the 2nd of December. In case if you want to view more restore point, you can click on show more restore point. So here I have another restore points. So I can let me so in order to select go back to the previous date, I will have to go ahead and select the restore point which I have created recently, and I can also scan for the affected programs before I restore my computer to the previous state. I can check for the programs which were affected or which might affect. So right now it is scanning for the programs which are affected and also checking for the drivers. And do keep in mind, in case if you start a system restore, there is no chance to interrupt the system restore. That might cause a data loss, or your computer might go to a no boot mode. So please be sure which date and why you're going to select your system restore. You can go back to the previous date for the on the dates where the computer was working fine. Now, when you do a system restore, there are possibility that you might lose the files which you have created between those dates. So make sure you take you can also, as a precautionary measure, you can also take a backup of the data on your computer. So this is going to take a while. Let's wait until this is completed. So if you look at the screen, none of the programs or drivers will be deleted as per the scan which has been run, and I'm good to go ahead with the current restore point. So I go ahead and click on next, and this is where it will be restoring. Confirm your restore point. Your computer will be restored to the state it was before the event in the description field below. So it will be restored to this date. So click on finish. When you click on finish, this is the prompt you get. Once started, system restore cannot be interrupted. Do you want to continue? It's a So like I said earlier, please be sure that you are proceeding with this restore point, and in case if you want to interrupt or stop the system restore, there's no way to look back. So once you click on yes, it will go ahead and restore your computer to the previous state, and depending on the amount of data what you have on the computer and the software what you have on the computer, it might take about 20 to 25 minutes. So during this process, your computer will be restarted once, and this is how you can go ahead and configure and restore your computer to the previous state. I hope you like this video. In case if you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. You have a great day and do take care, my lovely friends.